Dear student, today's topic is also playing with numbers from our Sagoral exercise 5C. So, question number 1, replace A, B, C by suitable numbers. Question number 1, 5A and 87, sum is CB3. So, replace this A, B and C. So here clearly A is equal to 6 because 7 plus 6 equal to 13, whose one space digit is 3 and carried over 1 is carried over. So then 1 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 14. This 1 is carried over, so this carry 1 plus 8 plus 5. So 1 plus 8 plus 5 equal to 14. So if you write 1, 4, 14, so C equal to 1 and B equal to 4. So B equal to 4 and C equal to 1. Therefore A equal to 6, B equal to 4 and C equal to 1. Next is question number 2. 4CB6 plus 369A and the result is 8173. So 6 plus what number is equal to 13, because in 13 carried 3 here and carried over 1 space digit is 3. So 6 plus 7, if we write 7, A equal to 7, then 6 plus 7 equal to 13 and 1 carried over. Then this 1 plus 9 plus what number is equal to 17, because in 17 1's place digit is 7. So 9 plus 1 10 plus 7, so B equal to 7. Here B equal to 7 and 1 is carried over. Then this carried over 1 plus 6, so 1 plus 6 plus what number equal to 11. So 6 plus 1 7 plus 4 equal to 11 and 1 is here and 1 is carried over. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 8. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 8. So therefore A equal to 7, B equal to 7 and C is equal to 4. This is the values of ABC. Next, question number 3. Here in question number 3 it is given A plus A equal to BA. So A equal to 5, because 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 15. So 1 5 15, so B equal to 1 and A equal to 5 here. Next, question number 4. 6A minus AB equal to 37. So here 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So if we write 3, then 6 minus 3 equal to 3. But so A equal to 2 from here, because from 1 is come from here, borrowed 1. So then it is 3. So originally A equal to 2. Now if it is 2, then borrow 1 from here, so it is 12. Now 12 minus what number equal to 7? So 12 minus 5 equal to 7. So B equal to 5. Therefore B equal to 5 and A equal to 2. So then it is satisfied. This is the solution. Next question, 5CB5 minus 28A. So 5 minus A equal to 9. So 5 minus any number is equal to 9. It is not possible. So it is 15. So 15 minus 6 equal to 9. So A equal to 6. Here A equal to 6. And 1 is carried, 1 is taken away. 1 is taken away from B. So 1 is taken away from B. So B equal to 4. Therefore, then after 1 is taking, from B, this is 3. Therefore b equal to 4. Then after 1 is taking from b, this is 3. Now 13 minus 8, because it is 3, so borrow 1 from here, 1 from c, so it is 13 minus 8 equal to 5. 13 minus 8 equal to 5. So taking 1 away from c, taking 1, this borrow from 1 from c, so now c minus 1 equal to minus 2, c minus 1, c minus 1 minus 2 equal to 2, so c equal to 5. So a equal to 6, b equal to 4 and c equal to 5. Next, question number 6. A into b, ab into 3 equal to cab. So 3 into 0, if it is 0, then 3 0 is 0. And if a b equal to, so therefore b equal to 0. And now if a equal to 5, then 3 into 5, 15, 1, 5. So c equal to 1, a equal to 5. So now it is satisfied. So a equal to 5, b equal to 0 and c equal to 1. Next, question number 7. It is given ab into ba equal to b plus 1 is a digit, c b. Now a into b equal to b. So a into b equal to b, this implies a equal to 1. Now rewrite this sum with a equal to 1. So it is 1b, b1. Now after multiplication it is 1 into b, b, 1 into 1, 1, b into b, b square, and b into 1, b. Now it is b, b square plus 1 and b. Now b square plus 1, here this is a b square plus 1. So b square plus 1 is a 1 digit number. So here b square plus 1 is a 1 digit number. And b not equal to 1, equal to 1, a equal to 1, so b not equal to 1, because b not equal to a. Therefore let b equal to 2. So when b equal to 2, then c equal to, this c equal to b square plus 1, so c equal to b square plus 1 equal to 5, but there is no carry. If b equal to 2, then b square plus 1 equal to 5, there is no carry. But therefore 1 carry is there, so let b equal to 3. Then c equal to b square plus 1 equal to b 9 plus 1, because b equal to 3, already we take it, b equal to 3. So 9 plus 1 equal to 9 plus 1, 10. So c equal to 0 and 1 carried over, c equal to 0 and 1 carried over. Therefore b plus 1 equal to 4, which is satisfied. Therefore a equal to 1, b equal to 3 and c equal to 0. Next, question number 8. It is a division. It is given, find the value of a, b and c. So 6 9 0 54. Now, and it is 3 is given. So a minus what number equal to 3? So a minus 4 equal to 3. Therefore a equal to 7. If a equal to 7, so 7 minus 4 equal to 3, so a equal to 7. Now it is 33b, and 6 into what number equal to 36? So 3 into b, that is 3 into b minus 36 equal to 0. So no remainder. Therefore b must be 36, b must be 6. So it is 36 minus 36, 0. So b equal to 6. And 6 into what number equal to 36? So 6 into c equal to 36. So c equal to 6. So 6 into 6, 36. So c equal to 6. Therefore a equal to 7, b equal to 6 and c equal to also 6. So here it is written a equal to 7, b equal to 6 and c equal to 7. Next, question number 9. Product of two number is 1 digit number and sum is also 2 digit number. In question number 9, find the two number of one digit number. Question number 9. Find the two number whose product is one digit number and the sum is two digit number. So the number two digit are 9 and 1, whose sum is 10, which is two digit number, and product 9 into 1 9, which is one digit number. Next, question number 10. Find three whole numbers whose product and sum are equal. So three whole numbers are 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, whose sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6, and whose product is 1 into 2 into 3 also 6. So these are the three whole number whose product and sum are same, equal. Next, question number 11. Complete the magic square given below so that the sum of the numbers in each row or in each column and along each diagonal is 15. So this is the magic square. These numbers are not given. These numbers are not given. These circle number are not given. Only 6, 1 and 5 are given. So and it is given all the sum of the digits are in numbers in each row, each column and each diagonal are 15. So here 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus what number equal to 15? So 7 plus 8 equal to 15. Now 8 is known. This number in this box is known. Now 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equal to 13. 13 plus what number equal to 15? 13 plus 2 equal to 15. Now this number is known in this way, and now 6 is known and 2 is known. So 6 plus 2 8, and 8 plus what number is 15? So 8 plus 7 equal to 15. In this way, in each row, each column and each diagonal, two numbers are known. Find the third number when sum is 15. Next, question number 12. Find, fill in the number from 1 to 6 without pattern, without repetition, so that each sides of the triangle added up to 12. That means each sides sum of the number is 12. So this is the pattern. Question number 13. Take 10 numbers as shown below. The 10 numbers are there. The pattern of the number: first number A, second number B, third number is equal to A plus B, which is sum of the first and second, and then first number, second number, third number. Now fourth number is equal to sum of the previous two number, B plus A plus B equal to 2B plus A. Fifth number equal to sum of third and fourth number. So A plus B plus A plus 2B is equal to A plus A 2A plus 3B. So 2A plus 3B. Then the next number is equal to sum of these two number, this number plus this number equal to this number. So this is the pattern of the number. So this type of 10 numbers are given here. So it is given that taken 10 numbers are shown below, and then given sum of all the numbers is equal to 11 into 7th number. So here sum of the numbers equal to 11 into, this is the 7th number, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is the 7th number, this is the 7th number, 5A plus 8B. So sum of all the number equal to 11 into 5A plus 8B. So 11 into 7th number. Then taking A equal to 8 and B equal to 13. Taking A equal to 8 and B equal to 13, write 10 numbers and verify the sum of all the numbers equal to 11 into 7th number. Verify this. So when A equal to 8 and B equal to 13, then first number A equal to 8 here, second number B equal to 13, third number is equal to sum of the first two numbers, so A plus B equal to 8 plus 13 equal to 21. fourth number equal to this number plus the sum of these two numbers, second and third. So sum of second and third equal to 2b plus a, that is 2b plus a equal to, just put the value of a equal to 8 and b equal to 13, so it is 34. In this way, this is first number, second number, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th number. This is the calculation. Now, and this is the sum of all the number, sum of these 10 numbers. Now 11 into 7th number equal to, this is the 7th number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 144 is the 7th number. So 11 into 7th number equal to 11 into 7th number, that is 11 into 144 is equal to 1584, which is same as sum of these 10 number. So this is the verification that sum of these 10 numbers equal to 11 into 7th number. This is the verification. Thank you.